Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nenye's Diary. My name is Nenye. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nenye, Anambra State, Nigeria, who loves to create content on food, lifestyle, stories and vlog. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the things you need to do for a man to go down there. Yeah, some of the things you need to do, some personal hygiene, some of the things like basic things you need to be doing for your man to be going down there to enjoy you non-stop, to feel that he's the man in the bedroom. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the things today. And yeah, so I had a lot of people complain about that, but auntie madam, let me ask you now, how do you expect a man to go down there when you are smelling ogilope, when you are smelling obo? Auntie Haba now, fear God. So you watching the movies and you expect him to do it with you. No, auntie, it doesn't work that way. If you are not clean down there, you don't expect him to go there and give you the mind-blowing so you don't expect him to go down there to give you the mind-blowing oral sex that you need. It doesn't work that way. He can't even do it. If you are the one and are you to do it, if your man's dick is smelling, will you go there? No. So that's exactly what I'm talking about right now. So it goes vice versa. So today I have some tips I'm going to be sharing with you guys that he does enjoy it non-stop, like he's like licking down there. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the things you need to do for a man to lick down there. Sorry, you guys shouldn't mind the word I'm using. For a man to lick down there, to go down there and give you the mind-blowing orgasm that you need. So today I'm going to be listing some of the things you need to do to keep that place clean, to keep it healthy for your man to enjoy, and for what the men are going to do for you to enjoy your husband at the same time. So today I'm going to be sharing that with you all. So first of all, before I continue this, what are the things you do? Because you know yourself, you know the kind of things you do that prevents your man from going down there. Are you the type that cook? When you're done cooking, you don't even take your bath, you don't even do anything. When your husband come back home, you'll be smelling maggi, you'll be smelling egusi soup, you'll be smelling ogili up and down. So when the man comes back home, all these things are factors. He might look at you, he might feel like he might have the need to, he might even have the need to go down there with you, but because of the smell he's perceiving, my dear, it's now a total turn off for him. He can't even continue. So number one is cleanliness. Are you clean in every angle? Are you clean? When I say cleanliness, I mean, what are the overall things you do to yourself that prevents your man from going down with you, from going down there with you? As they said, that cleanliness is next to godliness. Are you the type that take their bath once in a day? It's a factor. Are you the type that normally, when you're done cooking, you don't even take your bath? You will be smelling food, you will be smelling maggi, you will be smelling egusi soup, ogili up and down. So all those things are factors you need to put into consideration. First thing you need to do when you're done cooking, especially when your husband is around, is for you to take your bath. Take your bath, use your deodorant, use your body spray, the one that has nice scent. Use all of them so that when the man comes back home, even if he's not in the mood, once he sees you with the kind of fragrance from you, he might feel the urge to do it with you. Yeah. So all these things are factors you need to put into consideration. Always take your bath twice a day. If it's possible for you to take 3 times a day, especially when you're on your period, you go ahead and do so. Go ahead and do so. Yes, number 2 is that what do you do when you are on your period? Because a lot of people might just use only one pad the whole of the day, or maybe 2 pads the whole of the day. Pads always smell. There are some people that when they're on their period, once immediately they pass by you, you will notice this foul smell from them. But what causes that is that people tend to use their pad for a longer time. People use their pad up to 8 hours and 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours without changing it. If you're using a tampon, or you are using a pad, so the only thing you can do is just for you to be changing your pad frequently to avoid that foul smell. And if you notice you have body odor, always take your bath whenever you are on your period. Maybe depending on how your flow is, because that some people they have heavy flow, some people have normal flow. So even if you have normal flow, always change your pads, always change your tampons. As in, I don't understand, but always do that. It helps a lot. So do you know sometimes you'll be with your man on the bed and that smell also irritates him. He might not even open up to you to tell you, babe, this one, that something is smelling me. Some people are bold enough to say that, whereas there are some people, they will just keep quiet because they don't know how you're going to feel whenever they open their mouth to tell you such thing. So to be on a safe side, I will advise that you as a person, you need to do what is good for your personal hygiene. You need to keep down there. What some of the things you need to do to keep down there clean? Always change your pads frequently. I won't tell you how long, but at least change your pads depending on your flow. If you have a heavy flow, you can be changing your pads every 2 hours, every now and then. Just do that. Yeah, like the next one is, how often do you normally shave? Do you normally use your hair removal cream? Do you normally shave? Some people are so lazy to keep down their clean. So how often do you shave? If it is growing vegetation there, are you planning to make Ghana weaving with it? Are you planning to make Ghana weaving with it? Are you trying to braid Bob Marley? Are you trying to coil it? I don't understand. So why won't you shave down there to keep it clean? A lot of people only does that maybe whenever their boyfriend is coming around, or whenever they want to go and visit their boyfriend. That's the only time they remember to shave. And which is not even healthy. It's a total turn off. You need to do this all for yourself, not even for the man, but just for yourself. You need to keep down there very clean. Are you the type that use shaving cream, or the type that use shaving stick? Whichever one you are using, try and be consistent with it. Always shave down there. And I know that if you're using shaving stick, you need to be how do I put it? Because some of these things have a very sharp blade, so you need to be careful when using this thing, especially down there. And whenever you want to use this thing, there's a secret I learned. Whenever you want to use this, don't always go directly on your skin. Just hold your hand and just do it from the upper part. Don't go directly, because some people, whenever they want to, they will be doing it, quack, quack, quack. You are just injuring your skin. You are injuring down there. That's why a lot of people, when they are done shaving with shaving stick, you will see bumps everywhere. That place you have bumps, and which is not even healthy, because you are now exposing yourself to bacteria. So whenever you want to shave, do not go directly on your skin with this. Always go from top, small, small. Then you now be coming down. So whenever you are done using the shaving stick as well, you see that that place looks so flawless without you injuring yourself, without you having bumps after shaving with shaving stick. And that's why a lot of people avoid shaving stick and go for this what's it called, and go for this. Shaving creams are good as well, but that depends on your body. I had a personal experience with that because I have a very sensitive skin. So I started having some reactions down there, which I was not comfortable with, because I'm this type that normally takes care. If I tell you how I take care of that particular place, you guys will not believe it. So I normally take care of that place so well. So when I was like, how? Why is this thing happening to me? So I now went to see a gynecologist who now prescribed the drugs I'm going to use. When I just took that drug for like 2 days and everything is gone. And finally, he now advised me. That was the time I stopped using any form of shaving creams down there. He now advised that I shouldn't be using this down there. I should better go with shaving stick or clipper. And yeah, right now, I normally use shaving cream for my armpits. And yeah, and this for the Vee-jay. So that is it for the shaving cream and the shaving stick. Always know what suits you. I'm not telling you not to use it. A lot of people, they feel comfortable using this. A lot of people go for laser. A lot of people go for laser treatment. They don't want the hair to be growing all the time, so they go for laser treatment down there. A lot of people does a lot of stuff to remove hairs. But in other words, whatever you do, Biko, auntie, madam, try and be shaving always. It really helps a lot. Try and be shaving and keep down there clean. Stop growing that vegetation you are growing down there. Stop it. It's not healthy. So how could you imagine a man to put his mouth down there, whereas there are so many grasses, so many forests, so there are so many vegetations down there, hence everywhere. So how do you expect the man to put his mouth? Okay, do you expect him to start eating your hairs before going down for the main job? No, it doesn't work that way. Always keep that place clean. Always shave every time. So, and the third point is this: how often do you take care of your panties? How often do you keep this clean? So some people say that they don't use white pants. Some people say that they don't use black pants. Whichever one you use, always keep it clean. Using white, using black, using colored, all of them are the same thing, but that depends on how you take care of it. Always change your panties at least every 3 months. That's how I do. I change my panties every 3 months. And yeah, these are panties are number one thing women doesn't take note of. buy undies that are very sexy, or buy something that is attractive. Auntie, what are you doing with your money? Some people, they wear Osofe used to call it dross. He used to call it dross, our Nigerian actor. Why will you go to the market and buy that kind of pants? You're a young girl, for crying out loud. Even if you're a mother, but you're still young, always dress sexy. Wear something that is appealing to your man. Wear your pants. I would say that you all the time you'll be wearing matching colors. No, you don't even need to wear matching colors. But if you're in a position to do that, always wear matching colors. That's another form of sexiness to guys. And if you can't get rid of the old ones, you can convert it to your period pants. Like this, I'm having white pants. You don't expect me to use this white on my period, although I do it sometimes, but I don't do it often. I don't do it often. So I always have pants I use for my period. This thing is number one secret. This thing is number one secret to getting your man. Your lingerie are very, very important. Your panties are very, very important. Always wear something that is sexy. Stop wearing drawers. Stop wearing peteri. Stop wearing old grandma's pants. You're a young girl, because stop it. So, do you know that sometimes whenever you wear something that is appealing to your man, especially your undies that is appealing to your man, he might not be in the mood, but once he immediately saw you on that, the spark, you just felt the urge, you just felt the need to go down there with you, do it with you, make love to you, just because of the sight of what he saw you putting on. So always wear something that is appealing to your man, and yeah, always change your panties. Coming to the reason why I filmed this particular video about your man going down there with you, that he's going to lick you non-stop. So, and again, brushing of teeth, brushing our teeth, all these things are personal hygiene you need to put into consideration. A lot of people eat at night, take a lot of things at night without brushing their teeth before going to bed. So sometimes you might eat garlic, you might do this one, eat ginger. Always brush your teeth at bedtime. All these things are very, very important. So I'm not talking generally about personal hygiene. Everything you need to put into consideration so for your man to be able to go down there. You know, we all know that ginger is good for the body, like garlic is good for the body, but eat it at moderation, because they say that some things you put in the mouth makes down there to taste so good, to taste so horrible, to taste so bad. So always be conscious of what you put in your mouth. There are some things, know that there's some food that gives that makes down there very healthy. There's some food you eat and that place will be smelling so nice. That place will have this kind of, oh my god, when a man goes there, he will just be like, he will just feel on top of the world. And when I say about okra water, we people don't understand. Okra water does a lot of wonders, especially to women. It does a lot of wonders. It helps to lubricate down there. It helps to lubricate down there. So always take your okra water to keep that place very healthy for your spouse to enjoy. So all these points I dropped down here also goes for the men as well. If that place is dirty as well, the woman will not even feel the need to give you a mind-blowing blowjob. She can't even do it. The woman cannot do it because that place is smelly. That place is so bushy. They don't even take care of your manhood. You have rashes. You know, a lot of people, they will have infection. Before I forget, always go for tests. Always, like this is a must. Always go for tests to check yourself for infections, to check yourself for UTIs, to check yourself from any form of infection generally. And as a woman, you need to be testing for cervical cancer once you are of age. Always just go for tests, run tests on so many infections, because you know that infection is another criteria why men don't, or women don't, enjoy their spouse orally. Yeah, they are one of the things that makes both parties not to enjoy their partners orally, because once you have infection down there, especially for women, once you have infection down there, do you know it brings out this foul smell that irritates the man, that he won't even have the mind even to go down there with you. So always go for tests. I've seen people, their Vee-jay smell like shit. Like I've seen it. It smells like what I don't know. And yeah, it's a factor. You should always go and be seeing your gynecologist. It's very, very important, because you might have infection you will not even know. So this is they are all personal hygiene. Always clean your Vee-jay when you're done peeing, because you know that women, once they start having infection, it affects their overall Vee-jay. The smell, depending on the type you have, the smell, it becomes so irritating, it becomes so itchy, it becomes a lot of things, and you won't feel comfortable. You won't even have that confidence about yourself anymore. It's not nice. Imagine your husband or your boyfriend telling you, that babe, that place smells so badly. You can't even give you a mind-blowing oral sex. It hurts so bad. So, and for the man to get out of the courage to tell you, which means that man has been enduring it for months. He has been enduring it for a very long time before he finally opens up to you. So, there are some women that are so nonchalant about their own female personal hygiene. This is your health you're talking about. This is your own personal hygiene. There are some things that does not need to be told for you to do it. So always take care of yourself. Always take care of your Vee-jay. Always take care of your dick as a man. Always take care of like the whole overall personal hygiene. Always take care of yourself. And mostly, like, do not do it that you're doing it for the man. Even for single ladies, married women, just do it like you are doing it for your own personal self, not for your man, not for your spouse, not for your boyfriend or whosoever. Always take it that you are doing it for yourself, that you want to keep clean, that you want to feel so cool with your body, that you need to, like, always do it for yourself, not for anybody. So always do it for yourself, for your man to be able to enjoy you non-stop, for him to work, so that every time he remembers, oh, my baby's at home, he keeps on running back to the house. We all complain our side chicks, our this one. Yeah, it's some of the things that you do that keeps your man away from you. Side chicks, let me just tell you the fact. Let me just be honest with you guys. Do you know that side chicks, they invest a lot on their body? They invest a lot. They go extra miles to keep that place very clean. They go extra miles to take care of their body. But you, as the wife they keep at home, you will not be so nonchalant after I'm married. Whenever he comes back, he will come back to me. It doesn't work that way. He might be coming back to you, but actually his mind is already somewhere else, because that's the place he gets what he wants. So side chicks, they invest a lot. They don't use any juju or anything to hold the man. The only thing they normally do is that they invest wisely on their body. They invest wisely in taking care of themselves, their overall general hygiene. They invest so much on it. So if we should all put this into consideration for your man to be able to enjoy you, and yeah, for your man to be able to enjoy and give you the mind-blowing oral sex you need, and vice versa to the man also. So let's all put this into consideration. Our female personal hygiene, always invest in yourself. Always invest in something that's going to make you look sexy. Always invest in good undies, good lingerie. Always, and most especially again, always do your makeup. Men, they will tell you, they don't like people putting on makeup. It's a lie. They like it. Maybe it's because you don't know how to do it. That's why they will tell you they don't like you putting on makeup. It's a lie. Once in a while, dress sexy. Put on your makeup. There is power in red lipstick. Always put red lipstick on. There is power in that. I think I've said it all in this particular video. I've said it all. So it's now left for us to do what is needful and for you to be able to enjoy your partners sexually and orally. So this is officially the end of this video. Also, let me know what you think about this particular video in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to each and every one of you. Thank you so much, my viewers, my subscribers. I'm really grateful. You guys are just giving me the support I need every single day. It's not easy for you to post a video and people come back, people comes to watch your video, people always come back to watch you talk. It's not easy. So guys, this is officially the end of this video, and you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.